see what the spider was.
Oh.
I didn't want to scare you.
Four 401. Are we still flush? Roughly? Yeah. 15.
I like everybody. It should just give you that bit of not worrying that your hat's gonna fall off, you know? Well.
Get off.
Oh.
Yeet. Good catch. Go on, you're alright standing on them. Do you know if you just need to hold it up? Give it a go on your bike. Is it?
Yeah.
Right, we'll get these boards out. New perimeter fence, so it's a little bit different this one compared to installing a new fence, because we've done it, I suppose, as cheap as possible. So obviously we've got all these, like, they're not concrete spurs, but they're the old existing concrete posts then. The original fence weren't as tall as that, so we've come up a little bit, but we basically bolted onto the concrete existing posts. They're all solid. Braced it in between every single one just to try and stop it twisting, but it's alright. Happy with that.